What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very, very special day. Today is Tuesday. Today, your boy's doing something that is kind of necessary, you know? I do it to all my cars. So, today, your boy is putting air suspension on a car, bro. So, I bought the air suspension off one of my homies. Actually, the same guy that I got the wheels from. He had his old air suspension set up, nothing wrong with it. The kid never drove the car like that. He just wanted to get a different setup for more camber in the front. So I was like, okay, you know, that's cool. Ended up buying the bags for 500 bucks. And I gotta say, man, like I said, this Civic was a dope decision because I knew I was gonna be able to find parts for either cheap or I was gonna be able to find them easily. Like, I was able to get so much stuff within a week span that took me months to get for the S2000, because one thing about S2Ks and S2K owners, when we have parts, you don't really part them out, you know, because we know it's hard to come by, you know. So if I sell something, I have to know, like, it's gonna take me a little while to get another one of whatever it is. But the Civic, I was able to buy air suspension, wheels, the conversion, literally within, like, I'll say like a week and a half span. So I have one of the wheels back there, if you see the tire, just so if we do finish the bags today, I'm gonna be able to air it out and see where the wheels will fit. I also ordered some stuff for the suspension so that way we could get the wheels to fit, if you get my drift. So right now I'm heading over to my boy's shop because it's a rainy day, so you know, can't do it outside. So we're gonna head over to my boy's shop, and he also has a lift, who is JR. So JR, I know you're gonna watch this. Shout out to you, bro. I'm also put his @name when I get to meet up with him, so you guys can you know, go check out his page and whatnot. Me. All this red. Well, at least the accident is like right there. It's not far, but come on, man. This shouldn't take me this long to get.
I love you, Sean.
We're officially here. I actually beat my time that the GPS said, only by 3 minutes, but it is what it is. I'm not trying to haul ass on icy roads and snow, so you know what I mean. I still beat the time. I don't know if I'm the only guy that does that, but I like trying to beat the GPS time. But we are officially here. I see JR's car sitting outside. Probably see the Accord over there. So let's see how we can get in this driveway. JR just opened up the garage. Alright guys, so today your boy has a Case Sport air suspension front strut. I have all four, all made by Case Sport. Normally I would run an airlift performance setup, but we're gonna see how this does, and if you know I need to change some things out, I can do that later on down the line. But these bags are really mint. The white stuff, the gray stuff you're seeing right now is the anti-seize. You know, I just put it on the thread so that way it'll be easier to unlock it. But this is how my boy had it on his car, so I'm probably just gonna be able to put it there just like this and be able to achieve the same fitment he had. I probably won't have to do too much extra, so should be good to go. But your boy's officially gonna be another bagged car on the lineup, which is the Civic, man. I can't wait. Then when the summertime hit, when we put the wheels on, it's gonna be dope. But I did bring one of the wheels. It's over there in the corner. So I'm probably gonna get like one little test fit out of it today. So the management I'm gonna run it with, I ran it in the S2000, I ran it in the last Civic, is gonna be the V2 management. I know a lot of people like to run, you know, like the newer ones where it's like the 3Ps, the 3H and all that stuff. I'm a little bit more easier on it. I don't really care for all that extra technology. Just give me my little remote, the eight presets, I'm good. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. JR's already starting with the trunk. He's actually letting me get the tank from him, which is carbon fiber. Well, I believe he wrapped the carbon fiber, but so it should be a nice little addition to the car. It's pretty sick. I'm gonna add my little stickers to it too. Alright, so we're gonna try to figure out if he could put it on top instead of mounting it to the board right here. Tank is officially mounted. Those JDM tells though. Alright, so right now I'm gonna be taking out the back seats here and the plastic so that way we can run the wires straight through. So all we would have to do now is just run it from back here straight through to the front.
You see where I'm at, right?
Gotta take up the front panels.
Hold to it? Yeah. Where are your sub tabs?
Alright, so he drilled the 4 holes here, well 5 holes for the lines to run through so it could go straight to the front and to here to the tank and everything else. We're gonna run these blue lines because this is what we have available. Can't wait to put these bad boys on. CCW LM5s, 3-piece wheels, going on the big boy over there. So far I got the I took the panels out. Well, the front ones are a little bit harder to get out, but I'm able to lift it, so I'm able to still run it through. I got the back one completely off, the side panel complete. Oh, look at the interior though. Oof, I can't wait to get some seats. But yeah, so the side panel here is taken off. And yeah, we're getting there, Rose, we're getting there. Management right here. Management line right there, and then the compressor should be, yeah, the compressor's right there, but we're gonna mount all of that to the board here. Alright, so he's gonna run the wire through. Hostway? Yeah, Hostway. Oh. Alright.
So tie that there. Run this out. And run this all the way to the front. Underneath this.
Yeah. Alright, so he just ran the lines. It's not fully set up yet, but we're running it. Gonna add some P clips. And then boom to the front. It's already ran through the trunk already, so we should be good.
I love you, Sean.
So we finished eating. As you guys can see, the lines is in the trunk. Now you see the compressor tank. So now JR is figuring out a way to run the harness in the interior of the car. So he just took the seats out, the back seat, as you can see. And we're gonna run it alongside here. Huh? The harness?
50 cent richer.
Oh yeah, let me get that. Need this. Matter of fact, I found a nickel. Let me get that. Alright. Man, this shit rusty as hell. Alright, so I just ran the remote wire through the firewall, down the side. It's a tight space, but I was able to get it down the side. Boom, I ran the remote wire, boom. JR just finished. Huh? Said I'm bugging?
Yeah.
Why?
Not the remote will go under the dash. Not
Huh?
the firewall.
Oh, it's supposed to go under the dash? What the fuck? I thought you had to wire it to the power.
Nah, bro.
Yo, I just did all of that for nothing. It's literally going right under the dash. I could have sworn it was supposed to get powered up with the power wire.
That's a remote wire. It just needs the power.
You mean it? Yo, I literally was killing myself under this shit. What the fuck? Oh my god.
You can leave it there. Let me see if there's ignition wire back.
Because I could have sworn you had to put it with the power, but alright. That's why I left it like this, so that way I wouldn't lose tension on it.
Alright, you can open this fuse box.
Because now that you say it,
Wow.
yeah,
Who did this?
the previous owner, I didn't do that. I told you the car came
Alright,
pre-wired
good.
already.
Good thing. Yeah, you shouldn't use this for the subs.
Yeah, that's probably why the shit be chipping. Alright, taking off the suspension now. Yeah.
How much did I tell you to wrap your car?
$6. All right, the BC coil is out. First one. These will be up for sale. Unless my bags give me issues.
I do not like this.
Side 2. All right, front bag is going in. I got to do it from there. So much. Right here. It's filling up. Alright, so we're having issues on the other side with the exhaust because with AveGen's, the bag, it sits real close to the exhaust pipe. So it's probably going to burn it if I end up trying to put that bag on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the spring back there and the strut, and then I'm going to try to get the exhaust modified so that way it's able to clear. But right now, this side has the airbag on it, front, and the passenger side is good. So now we're just going to test fit the new CCW wheel with the bags. I know it's not going to clear, but like I said, I have something coming for that. So we'll see, man. But this was a pretty quick process. I got here around 12:40, right? That's what I said, around 12:40. And it is now 6:25 and it's basically complete. Everything ran, all the lines ran. The only issue is the other side where the exhaust is. Alright, go ahead. First air out. It can't go lower? Like, oh, I'm about to show y'all the front. Is that the lowest the rear could go?
On this side.
I'm gonna show you guys the front. Oh, you talking fitment, boy. Oh, your boy about to be aired out looking crazy. It's dirty. Don't mind that, but just look at the bags, bro. Look at the bags, bro. On the ground. The roll definitely made it better though.
Yeah, you're on the tire.
Yeah, so just a little bit more camber and I'm good.
Yeah, you don't even need to buy camber arms. You can probably buy the same thing I had.
Nah, I bought the camber arms already.
Oh yeah, because you gotta make sure the clearance doesn't hit the strut.
What do you mean?
If you camber it, it might hit the strut.
Shouldn't.
Because you ran a spacer, remember?
In the front, I think.
Okay.